Designed for heavy shop or industrial use, Ingersoll Rand electric-driven, two-stage air compressors provide the reliability and performance that is ideal for most applications including automotive service and body shops, fleet maintenance, machine shops, production and manufacturing lines, woodworking shops, dry cleaners, car washes, general maintenance, repair shops, and farms. Combining exceptional performance and everyday reliability, the Ingersoll Rand 2340L5-V electric-driven two-stage 60-gallon vertical air compressor is durably designed to last a lifetime in your shop or garage. This air compressor features precision-engineered components for easy maintenance and service and delivers up to 175 psi maximum operating pressure for demanding automotive and manufacturing use. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Designed for heavy shop and industrial use, delivering 175 psi maximum operating pressure, this 5-horsepower air compressor is designed to meet the demanding needs of automotive service and body shops, fleet maintenance, machine shops, production and manufacturing lines, woodworking shops, dry cleaners, car washes, general maintenance, repair shops, and farms. The industrial-grade ODP motor delivers 100% continuous duty with our all-season select synthetic lubricant to ensure steady and reliable performance of connected tools, while the 60-gallon ASME-rated storage tank offers ample capacity to tackle extensive jobs. Number 2. Designed for exceptional performance. Excellence in design sets Ingersoll Rand's two-stage pumps apart from their counterparts. Radial fins deliver 360 degrees cooling of cylinders to eliminate hot spots. The integral flywheel and finned high-efficiency copper intercooler allow the compressor to run cooler, even in the most demanding conditions, while the overhung crankshaft is precision-balanced for smooth and quiet operation. Number 3. Precision engineered for reliability and longevity. This air compressor is designed for rigorous use in your shop or garage thanks to precision-engineered components that can be easily maintained and replaced when necessary. The 100% cast iron frame and cylinders stand up to everyday use, while splash lubrication enables efficient operation and easy serviceability. Number 4. Long life. Durable cast iron construction, long-lasting extended pump life designed for over 15,000 hours of trouble-free use. Number 5. Maximum power and flexibility, 100% continuous duty, 5-horsepower two-stage air compressor, 175 psig maximum operating pressure, and a 60 ASME receiver tank provide plenty of punch for the most demanding applications. Number 6. Easy to service. Individually cast cylinders, overhung crankshaft, and one-piece connecting rod simplifies maintenance and service. Number 7. Reliable operation. All-season select synthetic lubricant increases efficiency. With 2,000 hours of service between changeouts, it performs 4 times longer than petroleum-based lubricants. Number 8. 2-year warranty available. Purchase an all-season select lubricant startup kit, and receive all the parts you need for startup in the first year of maintenance, along with an extended pump warranty. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. When will it arrive? Answer. This unit ships direct from the manufacturer. Their estimated delivery is 3 to 5 business days. Question number 2. What is the CFM on this compressor? Answer. The compressor is rated at 14 CFM at a maximum of 175 psi. At 90 psi you would get 14.3 CFM. Question number 3. How many CFM at 90 psi? Answer. CFM at 90 psi 14.3. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.